Well, we still here.
I know how many.
We still here. She's smacking on her potato chips.
Yeah.
Got video.
I need some salt like you.
Salt's good for you. Government says it's bad for you.
I didn't know you brought you some water.
Yeah. But they are all over it.
That lady down there handed me a hot water. I said, I don't want a hot water, ma'am. She looked dug in the cooler and gave me one.
I ain't live this time, I'm just videoing. All the peoples and Marty hanging out. A lot of these kids are crying too. They don't want to get out of that little truck.
I thought they moved it.
They ain't moved it.
I can't even see it no more. They done rolled it up the road.
No, they just back maybe a little bit. There's a car up there, ain't got a hood on it. Oh, they done turned the flashers on. I believe. Yep, they learned how to do the flashers.
They don't have gun and stuff on their shield.
Well, yeah. It's upside down in there. It ain't bad, but they done turned it upside down. The rug's all watered up, the bed's watered up. I think some of the grown-ups are having much fun as the kids.
Yeah.
I think. I got my finger in the way. Always the camera's over here, and I'm always looking over here. Yeah, that's